Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the game, open the main menu right away and go to Settings. Once in Settings, choose Gameplay or Online depending on platform. Those sections house visibility controls. Make sure you are signed into your profile or the console service because some toggles only appear when connected. You want immediate access to multiplayer/visibility flags, so navigate without changing unrelated graphics options. This step gets you to the controls that determine whether others can see your session or invite you. Once done, find multiplayer visibility and pick public, friends only, or private to control who can join. Choose based on your goal. Also toggle show online status and allow invites. These affect matchmaking and who sees you in lobbies. If there are platform-based privacy overrides, adjust console/Steam privacy to match. After applying changes, create a lobby or send an invite to confirm the setting propagated. If matchmaking still hides you, sign out and back in to refresh online presence and lobby lists. Finish by saving settings and restarting the game so the servers pick up your new visibility state. Once restarted, reopen a session and verify friends or the public can find you. Make sure your NAT type and firewall aren't blocking peer discovery. If you're still private, adjust console/PC network settings and platform privacy to allow game invites. As a final tip, if nothing works, capture a session log and contact tech support, provide your account, platform, and exact steps so they can reproduce and fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.